We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Husqvarna Z248F. This mower does come with a 48-inch cutting deck, which is going to be made of 10-gauge steel. For your cutting height, it's going to go between 1.5 inches and 4 inches. This does come with a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine and uses the Hydro Gear ZT 2200 Here you have your fuel tank, which is going to be 3.5 gallons. Here you have all your controls. This does have cast iron spindles and does feature a removable foot plate. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z248F. If you're interested in this mower, any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make a great package deal for you.